Exercise 8 step 2 looks at setting the quadrants. Alright, let's double click on our graph once we've got it in there. Okay, I'll bring up this dialog box here. I'll move it over to the side. Now, at the moment it's centered. We can set it, for example, to the first quadrant. And if we just click OK, we'll see how it changes. And it'll look like this. Okay, if I set it to custom, okay, first of all you might notice with the first quadrant selected, the X and Y values for the upper and lower values are not accessible. If we drop this down and set it to custom, we can now change the X and Y values. So for example, if I want the X-axis to go from 0 to 4, and I want the Y-axis to go from 0 to 3, we can easily set that. Okay, you can also resize the graph to make those in proportional or to make them line up with the lines on your page. There we go, I'll put it there. Okay, once again we'll click it, double click it. Now you can also change the origin. You might notice that the y-axis is going from 0 to 3. If we want the x-axis to cross that at 1, we can simply type a 1 there and click OK, and you can see that the x-axis and the y-axis now intersect at 1. Just up there. Okay, so once again, just recapping that. Once you've chosen the quadrant that you want, you click OK, and then you can come back here and you can choose Custom to access these other settings. You can also set the frequency, how often you want the labels to come up.